Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with a My Creative Times project share. And so today I am using the 5x5 card die layer set, and I'm using this one here as well as its layering piece, and then these right here. And I'm also using the strawberry flower die plate, and I'm using several of these on there. Flower leaf dies, and I'm using several of these. And I'm also using the strawberry die plate, and I'm using all of those. And then from the garden stake stamp and dies, I am using the Sweet Wishes from there. And this is from her assorted mini tags, and I'm using this one there. And then along with that, I am using Distress ink, the Lumberjack plaid, and that's to ink up the strawberries. And this is like the background color, which I use Prize ribbon. And these are the items I created. I made a card, which is beautiful. I absolutely love it. And there goes that Sweetest Wishes with the mini, that's on the mini tag die. And then the flowers I layered up, and I created two small ones. I put diamond dots in the center. I forgot to pull out the ink for the greens that I used back there. I want to say it's something moss. Can't remember the distressing. And then I also used tea dye ink to ink up around the color around the outside here. And then there goes the inside of the card there. Love that. And then I also created a tag to go with that using these the die layers that were in the inside of the 5x5 square dies. So I really love how the tag turned out. So pretty. I love that blue behind there. It just really makes everything pop. So pretty. And then I can actually sign something on the back side there. I left that plain, but love both of these. So those are what I created for My Creative Times project share today. Something from her shop. All right, so that's all I have for you. Thanks so much everyone for stopping by. You all have a blessed and crafty day.